After that cool start this morning, temperatures did bounce back up into the 90s in most places. We're at 89. That's our high here in Weslaco so far. 86 in Harlingen, 83 Port Isabel. 90s across a lot of the valley this afternoon, and we'll see a lot more 90s in the days to come, perhaps even warmer than that. Here are your dew points, and boy, you like to see numbers like this because those are low. We'll put the average dew point on the Muggy meter, and it's down here in the comfortable range, so it really feels pretty nice out there this evening, and it will again tomorrow morning, and then we start to see the trend toward higher dew points, which means the humidity will start coming back in by the time we get to Wednesday and into Thursday. Look at tomorrow's forecast highs. 87 at the beach, but everybody else back into the 90s again with a lot of sunshine. Again, tomorrow, though, the humidity stays down a little bit, so it should be somewhat comfortable as it can be with temperatures in the 90s. Back to 99 then on Wednesday and Thursday. We're going to be pushing the records. Records 100 on Thursday. We're going to be in that vicinity, certainly. And again, with the increase in humidity, it's going to start to feel a lot more like summertime once again. Satellite over the region today shows absolutely nothing. A very quiet day, and Future Track suggests that it stays quiet tonight and into tomorrow. The low humidity stays with us through early tomorrow. And as the day goes on, sunshine rules, and even into tomorrow evening, we see clear skies across the region. As we get into Wednesday, though, things start to change. We might start with low humidity, but it goes away. The southeast wind kicks in, moisture starts to come back, and we see sunshine, but more humid conditions by the second half of the week. Rain-wise, though, we don't see any. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're dry with no chance of rain in the area at all. Big high pressure is kind of taking control of things and keeping us on the dry side of things. On the other side of that high in the southeastern part of the country, of course, we have still a tropical storm. It's Irma moving northward, the center way down on the south edge of all the moisture. We can track it for you, and we'll put it on the map and show you where it is right now. 31, 5, and 84. The winds are still 50 as it moves to the north-northwest, so they're still expecting almost tropical storm conditions all the way up near Atlanta, near Birmingham, and then it moves to the north and eventually falls apart, but it brings an awful lot of rain to the eastern part of the country over the next few days. But that, of course, stays a long way away from us. But still, the impact being felt here. We still have a high surf advisory in effect, a coastal flood advisory, also a dangerous rip current situation there. The rip current risk is high to almost extreme, and that's just because of the storm on the other side of the Gulf of Mexico, sending big waves and big ripples all the way across the Gulf of Mexico toward our coast. Northwesterly winds early tomorrow, 83 degrees to start the day. As the day goes on, the winds will turn more out of the east, and that's a sign humidity starts to come around, and by tomorrow evening, the winds back out of the southeast at the coast. Here are the tides. There are two. One's at 2:14 in the afternoon. The other is tomorrow night at midnight. Seas 4 to 6 feet with a light chop. The bay temperature is 82, and again, a small craft advisory also in effect for the offshore waters. The bay, not so bad, but offshore seas are kicking up a little bit, so that small craft advisory remains in effect. For tonight, then mostly clear skies. Another nice night. 65 for a low. 65 for a low. 65 for a low. There we go. Tomorrow, got to say it 3 times to get any attention. Then back to 94 tomorrow, mostly sunny skies. And again, not so humid tomorrow, but that will change by the middle of the week. There's that low of 65 again, 94, then 99 Wednesday and Thursday. Look at Friday, about 100 degrees. And then we cool it all the way to 97 for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We just don't see another push of cool air anytime soon. We got a nice break from the heat and humidity, but it looks like it's on its way back. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.